Hello again from Republic Lagun Machine Tool Company.
Hello.
Today we're asking the question, who needs a digital readout system?
That sounds good. I'll have that.
The answer is, everyone needs a digital readout system if they have a manual machine for milling, turning, boring, or grinding.
Bingo.
The DROs that are available today are very advanced.
Pretty cool.
And they include models for the most basic operations to the most complex operations.
It's complicated. It's very complicated.
All in all, these digital readouts are almost indestructible.
Nothing is indestructible!
Today, I have a couple of representatives here from Fagor Automation, and they're here to talk briefly about their Fagor digital readout system, so we'll turn it over and let them take it from here.
Farewell.
My name is Alex Escamilla with Fagor Automation.
Oh, hey there, Captain.
A brief history on Fagor Automation is we're located in the northern half of Spain. We've been producing digital readouts and linear encoders since the mid-70s. Behind me, I have the 40iTS digital readout.
Is that so?
So the 40iTS comes with 5 micron scales, which would provide you with a resolution of 2/10.
Go on.
We have an option to add on 1 micron scales that would provide you with 50 millionths resolution or 1/10 diameter.
I like that. I like that a lot.
You get features that you'll be able to define up to 100 tools.
Yeah, all right, yeah, you got a lot going. You got a lot of tools.
You can do RPM or constant surface feed with this digital readout. You'll be able to have an option for a thread assist if you'd like to define a metric thread or an inch thread,
which runs directly into the flux capacitor.
You also have options to do facing and turning with the same digital readout. And once you execute the actual cycle, you'll have distance to go bar to know how far you are away from your program position.
Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about.
That concludes the information we have provided today for the digital readout systems. We hope it's been of some help to you.
Yes, that's been a huge help.
If you have any questions about these products or any other product that Lagun offers, we invite you to go to our website, lagun.com.
They're bomb.com.
We'll be happy to help you. We thank you for your time and good day.
Good day, sir!